We're already aware of Tesla's excellent plans and Elon Musk's mastermind, but now it's time for something even more exciting. Musk's auto industry has taken a fascinating turn. He unveiled the new Tesla phone to the globe. That was very unexpected and shocking. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video will discuss the topic inside Tesla's new 1.7B smartphone factory. The phone manufacturing business is one that desperately needs a shake-up. Many major phone manufacturers have resorted to producing slabs of phones with incremental updates every year after cementing their position. However, with Elon Musk focusing on creating a phone, the leading players in the phone industry are trembling. As powerful as the new Tesla phone is, many people are curious to know about how and where it will be manufactured. Before you open the box, you already know all of the features and what they can do because the phone is not much different from the previous version, save for adding one more camera lens at the back and rearranging them. You were paying for the same phone. From last year, some manufacturers may add an extra 2 GB to the RAM, add another inch to the already large screen, and leave it at that. As such, you won't be disappointed. On the other hand, Tesla enthusiasts do not need to be concerned about the smartphone industry's stagnation and lack of innovation, as the best electric vehicle in the world is introducing its first phone, the Tesla Model Pi phone. With Musk in the picture, constantly looking for the best of the best, the Model Pi phone will blast everything else out of the water with valuable, practical features. The new phone's name, Model Pi, is similar to how Tesla names most of its cars, using the word model. This is not surprising, given that the phone will pack a lot of advanced tech, just like the electric vehicles Tesla sells. This video is about how and where Tesla will make the phone. But first, what does the Pi phone look like and what can you do with it? Tesla is a firm that is concerned with the appearance of its products. Its cars mix fantastic looks with performance, and they're among the best looking electric vehicles in the market, with solid style and appealing colors. Its power-welled products are also designed to be sleek and discreet, allowing them to blend into their surroundings. Tesla has applied the same design philosophy to the Pi phone, and while the phone does not need to look good to perform its functions, you will appreciate the sleekness when you hold or behold it. Little tricks make the phone exciting, such as color-changing feature when you turn it into sunlight. This happens because Tesla has put a photochromic coating on the phone's surface. If you turn the phone to its back, you will see a prominent Tesla logo, just like Apple stamps its logo on the back of every phone it makes. However, the Tesla emblem is a sign of quality, indicating that you can rely on the phone. On the back, you will find a total of 4 camera lenses, taking your photographic experience to the next level. For example, on a starry night, you can point the phone to the sky and receive a clear photo that exposes elements of the sky that other phones simply cannot. The camera will not even make you wait for the photo because it requires prolonged exposure to provide beautiful results. Remembering that Tesla also manufactures solar panels for harvesting energy from the sun, it's not surprising that the Pi phone includes solar panels that can be charged without connecting to a power source. All you have to do is place the phone where it can get some sunlight to charge it. And speaking of batteries, the Model iPhone comes with the best battery in the business, thanks to Tesla's experience in battery technology. You will be able to watch movies, browse the internet, and play demanding games without worrying about the battery dying rapidly. The camera is hidden entirely under the screen, and you will only notice its presence when you take a selfie or do a video chat. This means that the Pi phone is free of the notches and holes that other phone producers hide the camera under but that disfigure the phone. Tesla is brilliant at concealing things, as there is a fingerprint scanner under the screen which you will use to unlock your phone even though it's not apparent. Inside the phone is a best-in-class chip, which is required given what Tesla wants to do with the phone. Tesla currently manufactures its semiconductors. Tesla is even utilizing a novel material to boost thermal efficiency, which implies the Pi phone will get far superior semiconductors to those used by other phone manufacturers. So what are you going to do with your Model Pi phone? You can do everything that modern smartphones can do, such as making and receiving phone calls, sending SMS messages, and reading and sending emails, install apps, shoot photos and videos, and access the internet. However, because of the powerful chip inside the Pi phone, you can also mine cryptocurrency. Yes, you heard that right. The Pi phone will mine cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency in question is one that Musk will introduce for his Mars settlers to have their commerce system. The currency will be a crypto called Mars Coin for Mars citizens who own a Pi phone, which has a powerful machine equipped to crunch out cryptos. You can store your coins on your phone and make payments or transact other business with the crypto from your phone wallet, which means you can carry a bank or ATM around with you. Because Tesla intends to sell the phone to Earth's population, it implies that commerce can occur between people on Earth and people on Mars, which would be a genuinely interplanetary transaction. Musk likes incorporating items from one of his companies into products from another, so it's no surprise that the Pi phone will support the SpaceX Starlink internet satellite. This is a fantastic feature to have because Starlink allows for fast upload and download speeds. That's not all. Satellite internet allows you to send SMS messages even when you don't have a signal. The Starlink will expand its service to Mars, ensuring that you have a fast internet connection whether you're on Earth or on Mars. Other features and applications will be discussed briefly before moving on to how Tesla will manufacture the Pi phone. For example, neural link technology, which the Pi phone can run due to its strong internals, is technology from another Musk's company that receives information from the brain and analyzes it. The Tesla Pi phone is also deeply integrated with other Tesla products such as electric automobiles, home batteries, energy storage solutions, and solar panels. So how will Tesla manufacture the Pi phone? There are two ways to go about this. The first is that Tesla becomes like Apple. While Apple is well known for selling high-quality phones, it does not manufacture them. Instead, the Cupertino-based company designs the telephone and then contracts out the parts to vendors worldwide for supply. Once the supplies are ready, Apple ships them to the two companies that assemble them. The first company is Foxconn, working with Apple for years, and the second is Pegatron. Both companies have factories in several countries where thousands of workers work together to make iPhones for Apple. If Tesla goes this route, it'll also find manufacturing partners and award contracts to assemble the Pi phone. The second option for making the Pi phone is more to Tesla style, to make or assemble the phone in-house. In this scenario, Tesla will set up plans where it will produce the Pi phone this way. Tesla can reduce production costs and time, which is something that Musk can't resist doing. Building a factory for making phones is not a problem with Tesla. It can quickly source cash and also has the expertise. This is a company that will soon be running 4 EV production plants. Musk has even boasted that Tesla's strength lies in manufacturing, as it helps to integrate its processes, saving time and money vertically. It is currently years ahead of the competition in the EV world. Regardless of how Tesla decides to make the Pi phone, fans will get a phone that blows other phones out of the water. So that's all for today, and let's know whether this will turn the industry upside down or not. Stay tuned for more videos.